As you can see, I have found a rose design and I made a stitch by stitch tutorial. However, it was 2 videos 30 minutes long. So what I decided to do is I'm showing you the end result. The stitch of my rose is not exactly the stitch that was created from the image that I found online. So it's okay if it's different, and a lot of times when you are making something that you are looking at, you want to make it your own or you want to change it up. So here is the actual rose. And I did purple and green just because there were dark colors. The pinks and reds and stuff was not showing up too good. So the purple would actually be a red, if you want a red rose or a pink rose. And then the green would actually be a darker color of the same color as an accent color. And then of course your leaves are always green. So that's what I've done here. I've got my green leaves. And like I said, the stitching is not exactly the same. As you can see here, I made mine kind of go off the neck like the rose is looking over and waving at you. And then here is the actual rose stitched. Now it is not the exact same as the picture, but it's my rose, the rose that I designed using that template. So it is a little different. So here is your rose. A lot of people requested a rose tutorial, but I've tried it, stitching it, and like I said, I will upload them if you want to watch them. You may want to watch TV and listen to music while you're watching it because they are 30 minutes each. The first part of the rose and then the bottom half and the leaf is the second part of the video. So, but for now, I just want you to see the two, the rose and then the rose stitched. And then, like I said, here is the pattern. If you want to screenshot it. And then here's the leaf part, if you want to screenshot that. And then, of course, there they are together. And it's very simple. Like I said, I can get even closer if you want to look at the count. And when I did it, I did the first color, and then I just left the blank. So see how there's 2 blanks right here in the, where's my, right here? These 2 blanks. If you notice, there's 2 blanks here, 1 and 2. And then there's 1 blank right here. And there's a blank there. You can see in mine, it's kind of hard to see through a phone, here and there. So I left 2 there, 1 there, 1 there. So that kind of coincides with 2 here, 1 there, 1 there. So I just skipped a square when I was stitching. So when you're going through and stitching, you'll just skip that square. See how I skipped it? So I hope this rose visual video satisfies all you rose lovers out there. What I would suggest is doing 1 rose, and as you see here, a tissue box standard is 33 and the middle is 17. So that's what I've done. And then I left a space of 5 at the top and 10 at the bottom. And I went into my 5, which would have been my border at the bottom. So what that means is because I had to go into here, this is actually the bottom of the tissue box. There's no tissue box here. This is extra plastic. And then I have 5 at the top. So I have room to wiggle and play and create my border. So that's what I would suggest, is you have the 33 which is here. You start in the center, which is 17. You find the center of this rose once you draw it out, and then that's when you'll start. You'll know where to start. But basically, if you notice how I started, you see right here, even though this may not be the center of my rose, that's where I made my first stitch. So I basically went from 1 to 33, counted in 17, circled it out, went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put my needle in the 6th hole, started my first stitch, and then I did my first 4. And that's what you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I just went on from there and then went my way down. So if there's more on this side of flowers and more rows on this side or whatever, it's okay. I mean, that's fine. It doesn't matter if there's more on either or side. So that's where I started my rows. Well, I hope that helped you. I hope you're inspired to do this rose tutorial design. I love it. It's beautiful. I want to do different color roses. I want to do a yellow one and a purple one. So all 4 sides are a different color. So whatever mood I'm in, you know, I can just turn the rose to that color. Or if you know someone that likes a specific color rose, you can do that as well. Thanks for watching. Please like if you like this. Please comment if you have any other ideas or if there's any other things out there that you would like to see come to life. But the thumbs up lets me know that you like what you saw and that you want more. Comments give me ideas, and I do read your comments, so that helps. And hit that notification bell, so that way when my video goes up, you know you can be on it, you can watch it, and you can start creating. You have a wonderfully blessed day. Thanks for being loyal. I do really appreciate it.